How to create a YouTube advertising campaign. First of all, Google search YouTube advertising. Once you've done that, click on advertise YouTube. You want to click on this link, youtube.com advertise. Click on the blue get started button, and here we can select a video for our advert. So I'm going to go to our YouTube channel and scroll down, and I'm going to choose this video by clicking on the video link. Just going to pause the video, and I'm going to copy the video URL. Once done that, I'm going to paste it in where it says video ads, just paste it in here, and click on enter. Now I'm going to write some text for our video ad here. So I've entered the text for ads, Salsa Lessons London, fun and friendly salsa classes every Friday at Pineapple Dance Studios. And if we scroll up, we can see a preview of how our advert looks here, and we can change the advert's picture like so. Click on here, you see the picture's updated. We can choose this one, it's updated this one, but we'll keep it as this image, and click on continue. So here we can customize our daily budget. You see by default our daily budget is £6.95, and you can see here it says daily budget £6.95 gives us 100 to 200 views. And if you want to customize how much you spend daily, just click on here and you can change it to, for example, like £1 if you wish. You click on there and you see that it gives 100 views, or £2. Click on here. You see we still have about 100 views. I find £2 per day it's fine. For maximum cost per view, I recommend you keep it lower if you're using a lower budget. So choose about 5p, and that works pretty well. And now click on continue. This is the most important feature for advertising dance classes, because you want to focus on targeting people within your city. So enter your city here. So if you're in New York, enter, for example, New York. If you're in London, enter London, or whatever country is relevant to where you'll be teaching your dance classes. So I'm going to leave this as London. Next, click on done. For people's web activity, click on here, and if I hover over here, you can see search on YouTube. You can see the example, it means people searching on YouTube, your advertised spot. For watching videos on YouTube, you can see a big red box here, it means before video. And include people's browsing history means on other people's websites. I find this has really random results, so I unselect this one. I recommend you do the same and click on done. So here we can choose the age of people we'd like to see our videos on YouTube. So for example, if you want people to only see our dance video adverts for between the age of 18 and 24, select this option and select these options by clicking on them like so. Now only people between the age of 18 and 24 will see our video. Now say you want people between the age of 25 to 54 to see your dance class adverts, just unselect this option and there. So now only people between the age of 25 and 54 will see our videos. Next is gender. So we can choose what gender we'd like to see our videos. So would you like, if you're advertising males styling classes, then you unselect these two. If you're doing a female styling class, then just leave this one selected. So with all these options, I'm just going to leave them all selected for now, so I'll let you choose what's best for you. For user interest, I just recommend you leave this as all and click on done. Finally, now we can choose the save and continue button, but before we do, we're just going to check our settings, check everything's right, our daily budget, how many views we're going to get, and double make sure how much you'll be spending per click and your location. Great, so now we're going to click on save and continue. Now if you have an Adwords account already, you can just select yes. If you haven't, just select no, and you can create an account here by clicking on the button. Or you have, so I'm just going to leave as yes and click on sign in. So now you can see your ad copy. You should see the location. It should be relevant to where you live, and you teach your dance classes, your bid budget, and you can see your cost and the age groups you're targeting, the gender, and how many views you're going to get per day for the price you're actually bidding. Now if you scroll down, you'll see examples of how your adverts will look. So there'll be an advert here, there'll be an advert before the videos start. Scroll down and you can see when people are searching. Now we unselected this option for like showing on different people's websites, so all the options we'll be using is this one, and this one. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So the only thing we have to do now is just confirm. Click on create, launch your campaign, and that's it. So here we can see our video campaign. You can see it here. So scroll down. Our adverts when they're first made are going to be reviewed by Google, see the videos are okay, have appropriate content. So once they've done that, they'll be shown live. We could change the campaign name here. So just call this, for example, Dance Class Videos. And that's it. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I'm happy to help. And thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Alright, see you in the next one.